Hey, I hate to be so emo right now, like, yeah. But, tomorrow is my very last day of school for this year, which makes me upperclassmen next year, which means the current upperclassmen are moving out. So, they're going on to bigger and better things. I'm gonna miss them. And, I have really big shoes to fill. I can't even live up to how great they were. I'm gonna miss them a lot. And by the way, yearbook. Play the tessellation, see? Third. Still. So, yeah. Here's to the last day of school. And a lot of people are leaving. A lot of really good friends. So bye. Really sad way to say goodbye.